Okay, so I'm just going to do some draping. So let's bring this leg out a little bit for me, please. So this client is planning to complete a 5K run. So for my pre-event massage, I'll be working on the legs and trying to get a good pace, a consistent pace behind the massage, just to help get the heart rate up a little bit and get the blood flowing to the areas for the client to be prepared for their 5K run. So I'm going to be starting on the left side. I'm just going to get some of my medium. Okay, so I'm just going to be rubbing the medium together for a little bit just to get some warmth into it, and then I'm going to be starting on the calf muscles. I'm just going to apply the medium first. I'm just going to start off with a relatively gentle pressure, and then I'm going to gradually get a bit more pressure into it and build up pace as well, just so I can get a bit more warmth into the muscles. So at the minute I'm just working both medial and lateral bellies of the gastrocnemius, and also working down to soleus as well. Okay, so I'm just going to start getting a bit more pace behind it, just to generate a little bit more warmth. How does that feel?
Yeah, fine.
So I'm just going to apply a little bit more pressure now with the consistent pace as well. I'm still obviously coming down, back off the muscle nice and gently. So I can feel quite a bit of warmth in the muscle already. So I'm still just working my effleurage next. I'm going to be doing petrissage, which will be working cross fibre. So at the minute with effleurage, we're working in the same direction as going in the same direction as the muscle fibres. Okay. So at the minute I'm just doing some kneading, going cross fibre at a good pace just to get the blood flowing to the area. Now I'm just working on my ringing of the muscle as well. And we're also just doing some rolling now with the petrissage. How's that feeling?
Yeah, that feels okay.
Okay, so definitely feel a bit of heat into the muscle, so we're going to do some tapotement now as well. So we're going to start off with some hacking. How does that feel?
Yeah, that feels fine.
So again, I'm just going to keep this at quite a quick pace as well. keeping a good consistent rhythm also. And now I'm just going to do some pounding also. Making sure I'm getting both parts of the gastrocnemius bellies. Does that still feel okay?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. And now we're just working on some cupping also. Just making sure I've got a good dome shape in the hand, just to get a bit of suction on the top layer. Okay. So I'm going to work onto the hamstring next. So I'm just going to apply my medium first. I'm just going to get the client to push their heel into my hand, so push into my hand as hard as possible. So that's just going to reveal the muscle bellies of the hamstrings, so I know where I'm working. Okay, you can relax. Okay, so I'm just going to start again with my effleurage. How's that feel?
Yeah, that feels fine.
I'm just going to get a bit more pace into this effleurage just to get a bit more warmth into the hamstrings, working right up into the glutes. I'm just going to get a bit more pressure, but still keeping it a fairly quick pace on the hamstrings as well. Just making sure that I'm still stacking my joints also, just to make sure I'm working efficiently, putting the weight through my body rather than bending my wrists and elbows, so I can really put some weight behind it. Okay, so I can definitely feel some warmth in there now. So I'm going to start working on my petrissage. Working on some ringing first. And then some kneading also, so a nice quick pace. Does that still feel okay?
Yeah.
Just going to do some rolling also. Okay, so now that the muscle is warmed up properly, we're going to start working on our tapotement, starting on hacking, just making sure I'm following the muscle belly, all three of the muscle bellies. Does that feel okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so just going to do some pounding now as well. And then finishing off with some cupping as well. Okay. So I'm going to move over to the right leg now. Same again, I'm just going to apply the medium first. I'm just supporting the ankle as well by holding the bottom of it. Okay, so just going to start going a bit more at a quicker pace to get the warmth in. How's that feeling?
Yeah, that feels okay.
Okay. Working on petrosals next. Is that still okay?
Yeah.
Good. So I'm going to work up to the hamstring next. Okay, so I'm just going to get the client to push their foot into my hand again so I can reveal the hamstrings. Again, just applying the medium first. And now I'm just going at a good quick pace to get some more warmth into the muscle, just so that heat can radiate through the layers. Use knuckles as well a little bit, just so I can keep consistent pace but add a bit more pressure into it. Just working on some ringing first. And then a bit of kneading through my petrosage. Working cross fibre. I'm just going to do a bit of rolling as well. Okay, now I'm going to move to the deportment. Start with the hacking, again following the muscle belly of the hamstrings. How does that feel?
Yeah, fine.
Keeping it quite a steady, quick pace, consistent. And just finish with some cupping. Just getting that slight suction on the skin and creating a bit more blood flow to the area. Okay. Okay, so that's the back of the legs done. So I'm just going to get the client, I'm just going to hold the draping up. I'm going to get the client to roll over onto their back now. I'm going to start on the left side as per usual and work on the left quad first. Isn't it? Yeah. Okay. So I'm just going to start with some effleurage first, just to apply the medium. And I'm just going to build a bit of pace again, just to get the warmth. How's that feel?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. So I'm just going to do some tapotement. Starting with some hacking, how does that feel?
Yeah.
Is that still okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, just finishing off with some cupping. Okay. I'm just going to finish off with the right side. Again, just making sure I'm keeping that nice, consistent, fast pace. How's that feel on this side?
Yeah, that feels good.
You can definitely see the redness coming through a little bit as well. we're finished for your pre-event massage.